but if you're new to the channel and you're curious, gotta take your shroud cover off here. You got some push pins there. Pull that off, then you can get the grill out. You will just have some push pins there. I take a pliers or a channel locks, squeeze them, like reach your hand from behind here, squeeze them. You can pull the grill out nice and easy. You don't break those clips off. 10 mil, 10 mil, and through the fender well on the back side, you have a 10 mil there. That one doesn't have to come all the way out. It's slotted. You can see, or not, down there, it's slotted, where you just loosen it and it'll pull forward. I've got it pulled forward enough to put my lights in here and take it all the way out. If you're new to the LED game, it is important to note that these are directional. They're only going to work one way. So if you stick your bulbs in and you put it all back together and it doesn't work, you probably got them in backwards. So just stick your bulbs in before you go back together. Flip them on, make sure they work. If they don't work, then you need to pull it out of the socket, put it back in the correct way, and that way you don't have to take it all the way back apart just because you put them in backwards. So I'll stick these things in there.